this one's for Professor Hoffman. Do you believe a movie adaptation has to strictly follow the original storyline, or is focusing on creating the same experience enough? What are some examples of good and bad adaptations, in your opinion, and why?
Well, kind of similar to what Professor Martinez was saying, since literature and film are totally different mediums, I think the response then to this question is, no. I really like this idea of adaptation as capturing the sensibility of the original text, as opposed to maintaining some kind of, fidelity or loyalty to the original text. So as long as that sensibility or essence of the original is there, that can take so many different kinds of forms in this, audiovisual medium that is cinema. So I'm tempted to say, there are no bad adaptations for that reason. And, I could only think of 2 adaptations that personally I thought were really horrible. The Lovely Bones being one.
Oh, I never read the book, but I remember seeing the movie. I thought that was interesting. Yeah. What are your thoughts on it? Why is that not a good adaptation?
Well, there's kind of a long story with that one. Originally, they were supposed to have a different director. I think Peter Jackson wound up directing The Lovely Bones, which was a real, maybe not the best choice since it's such a female story. Lynn Ramsay, a Scottish female director, was originally slotted to direct that movie, and I think that just would have been a much better choice, but for financial reasons that didn't happen. A really example of a great adaptation, I think, is Brokeback Mountain, which we read the short story and then watch the film, studying its production design and art direction in my intro to cinema class. That story is only 24 pages long, but the film is 2 hours and 14 minutes. That's fascinating to me. Yeah. How do you go from a 24-page short story to, this epic, 2 hour plus long film? Ang Lee, I think, does exactly that. He just captures the spirit and magnifies it, illuminates it, and turns it into this, true romance for the times.
So really examine the emotions and the character dynamics in it and just get into it and think about it as much as possible.
Yeah.